You are playing your blues scale wrong. Does this sound like you? You've been practicing the blues scale and you go to put on a jam track and your harmonica solo doesn't sound very bluesy. Don't worry, that's perfectly normal, and it's already great that you're practicing your scales at all. Later in this video, I'm going to show you how you can practice your blues scale so that you can use it to jam bluesy sounding solos. But first of all, I'm going to show you what's wrong with how you're practicing your blues scale. It sounds fine. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it, but it doesn't sound very musical because there is nothing inherently musical about a scale. Scales are just building blocks for music. I got this great idea from a guitar teacher on YouTube called Your Guitar Sage. Check him out in the description below. He calls it the map technique. Imagine that the blues scale is like a map, and if we're playing all the notes in the scale, then we're jumping all over the map. And if we were actually using the map to get somewhere, we would just go to that one place and explore. We wouldn't jump all over the map randomly. With that in mind, the best thing to do is start with a small section of the scale and focus on exploring around that. So we're just going to focus on the 2-draw, the 3-draw half step bend, and the 4-blow. So we're only allowed to play those 3 notes, and that'll encourage us to really learn what that area sounds like. Can you hear that it's already starting to sound a lot more musical? You can pick any combination of 3 notes from the scale, but I highly recommend that when you do, you focus on only them for a decent amount of time. And that'll help you to really get to know that area rather than jumping all over the map. Okay, I'm going to put a jam track on for you to have a go just playing those 3 notes over a 12-bar blues. But before I do that, if you want to learn more about improvising blues harmonica, as well as how to play all the cool blues techniques, then you should check out my online Harmonica School, where I provide an easy to follow curriculum, as well as support and accountability from a community of students and teachers. And the best thing is, you can check out all of this for absolutely free with a 14-day trial at the school. Just click on the link in the description below. All right, grab your C harmonica. This track is from the awesome MCCD. See description below to get more of their great tracks. Let's try it. All right, sounding good. Subscribe for more harmonica lessons. And thank you so much for watching. Happy harping.